Hello, my dear students. Good morning for all of you. Today we will teach you the cross multiplication method. That means how can we get the value of x and y by the cross multiplication method. So let's see. We have the equation cross multiplication method. That means here we have the equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. That is one equation. Another equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. That is the another equation. Now we have to solve the equation and we have to get the value of x and y. Now you know very well, if you will eliminate x term, then what we have to do? We have to multiply equation 1 by a2 both sides, and equation 2 will be multiplied with the a1 both sides. Then x term will be eliminated. Eliminate means जैसे आपको मालूम है बताया था बाहर निकालना, मतलब इसको निकाल देंगे. x टर्म क्या हो जाएगा? कैंसिल हो जाएगा. तो इसमें क्या करेंगे? a2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे इक्वेशन 1 में दोनों तरफ, और इक्वेशन 2 में क्या करेंगे? a1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे बोथ साइड. तो उसके बाद इक्वेशन 1 में से 2 को सब्सट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? x टर्म एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा. उसके बाद y का वैल्यू आ जाएगा. तो देखते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई इक्वेशन 1 by a2 and multiply equation 2 by a1. That means what we will, and then subtract equation, then subtract equation 2 from equation 1. That means a1 a2x plus a2 b1y plus a2 c1 is equal to 0. 0 into a2, that is equal to 0. 0 into a2, that is equal to 0. That means due to that we are writing here 0. And a1 a2x plus a1 b2y plus a1 c2 is equal to 0. That means a1 into 0, that means 0. Due to that we are writing here directly here also 0, and a1 into 0, that will be also 0. Now subtract equation 2 from 1. That means the sign will be the negative here, negative, negative, here, negative. That means a1 a2x, this will be the cancel. Now what we have? We have a2 b1y minus a1 b2y plus, then we are taking the common minus a1 c2 minus a2 c1, that is equal to 0. Why? Because if we are taking the common minus, that means a1 c2 plus into minus, that means minus, and minus into minus, that will be here plus. That means minus a1 c2 minus a2 c1. Now we have to take the common y, that is equal to 0. Y common, then a2 b1 minus a1 b2 minus a1 c2 minus a2 c1, that is equal to 0. Now y into a2 b1 minus a1 b2 is equal to 0 plus, if a1 this term will be goes in this side, then it will be the plus here. So a1 c2 minus a2 c1, here y is equal to how much? Y is equal to a1 c2 minus a2 c1 upon a2 b1 minus a1 b2. Otherwise y equal to like this. Otherwise you can take the common, minus common, that means my minus will be common, then a2 c1 minus a1 c2 in the bottom side, that means minus common, then a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Here minus minus we cancel, that means a2 c1 minus a1 c2 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. That is the value of y. This way we have to find out the value of y. if you want to eliminate the y term, then you will get the value of x. So if you will multiply the b2 from equation 1 both sides and b1 from equation 2 both sides, then subtract, then you will get the value of y. Similarly, you can find out the value of y also. You will go through the another process by which you will able to understand how can we get the value of x and y by the cross multiplication method. So let's see. If you will eliminate y from this equation, then what we have to do, y को eliminate करने के लिए हमको y term को निकालने के लिए, कैंसिल करने के लिए हमको equation 1 में क्या multiply करना पड़ेगा, b2 we have to do the multiply b2 with the equation 1 and b1 to the equation 2. Then we have to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. अब इसमें b2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, इसमें b1 से मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद इक्वेशन 1 में से इक्वेशन 2 को सब्सट्रैक्ट कर देंगे, तो देन यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ x. इससे पहले हमें y का वैल्यू निकला था, यहां से आप x का वैल्यू निकाल सकते हो, इजीली निकाल सकते हो. नेक्स्ट वन, अभी हम लोग x और y का वैल्यू के लिए कैसे फॉर्मूला देखते हैं. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या लिखते हैं, b1 b2, फॉर्मूला है b1 b2, x के लिए c1 c2. अब ये क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता है, तो b1 c2 ये इससे मल्टीप्लाई होगा क्रॉस, और ये किससे होगा, इससे. उसके बाद b1 b2 हो गया, c1 c2 हो गया. अब इधर क्या हो जाएगा, a1 a2, और इधर हो जाएगा b1 b2, फिर से क्या हो जाएगा b1 b2, और ये फिर से क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई इसके साथ और ये इसके साथ. अगेन दिस विल बी मल्टीप्लाई विद दिस and this will be multiplied with the this is the x, this is the y, this is the 1. That means why we are writing 1, because there will be the constant term, so that will be the 1. Here what will be, x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1, that is equal to y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1, that is equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. That is our formula. By this formula we can find the value of x and y. That means first term relation first and second, from the relation first and third, that is the first, that is the third. By the relation first and third we can find the value of x and y. Relation first and, we have to write from the relation first and third, that means x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1, that is equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now cross multiplication, here x into a1 b2 minus a2 b1, that is equal to, this will be multiply this and this will be multiply with this, that means is equal to 1 into b1 c2 minus b2 c1. Now what the value of x is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. That will be the value of x. Like that you can also find the value of y from the relation second and third. और यहाँ से रिलेशन सेकेंड और थर्ड से आप क्या कर सकते हो, y का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. y into a1 b2 minus a2 b1, that is equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1. Then y is equal to how much, c1 a2 minus c2 a1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1, that is the value of the y. That's the same process by which you can get the value of y. Now we are going through the examples or the question. Okay. For example, question number 2. Which of the following pairs of linear equation has unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solution? In case there is a unique solution, find out using the cross multiplication method. यहाँ पे exercise 3.5. At first we have to check the pair of linear equation have which type of solution. If there will be a unique solution, then we have to find out the value of x and y by the method of the cross multiplication. Yes. Exercise 3.5, question number 1 का second. फर्स्ट लेते हैं, एक बार फर्स्ट ही देख लेते हैं. पहला क्वेश्चन, x minus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 9y minus 2 is equal to 0. Here a1 is 1, b1 is minus 3. We have to write with the coefficient of the y term, that is the plus and minus. That means which is the coefficient of y, that is the minus. So we are writing here minus 3 and c1 is equal to minus 3. A2 is equal to how much? 3. B2 is equal to minus 9 and C2 is equal to minus 2. Here we have to find out ratio of A1 A2, B1 B2 and C1 C2. A1 by A2 that is equal to 1 by 3 and B1 by B2 equal to B1 by B2 that is equal to minus 3 by minus 9, 1 by 3 that is also 1 by 3 and C1 by C2 that is equal to C1 by C2 equal to minus 3 by minus 2, that is 3 by 2. What we are getting here? We are getting here, that means A1 by A2, A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 but does not equal to C1 by C2. Here A1 by A2 that is equal to B1 by B2 but does not equal to C1 by C2. Then we can say that this type of the pair of linear equation don't have any solution. That means no solution. आपको जैसे पहले ही बता दिया, अगर केस मेरा रहेगा A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 and does not equal to C1 by C2, in this condition, that means that is the case number 3. In this condition, no any solution of the given pair of linear equation and graph. I am going to remind you, that means graph of this equation will be the parallel line. That means इसका ग्राफ कैसे हो जाएगा? पैरेलल लाइन की तरह हो, चाहे इधर हो या इधर हो, किधर भी हो सकता है. तो ग्राफ इसका क्या हो जाएगा? पैरेलल लाइन होगा. तो क्वेश्चन मेरा ये बता रहा है डियर, अगर इसका यूनिक सॉल्यूशन होगा तो x और y का वैल्यू निकालना है. और यहाँ इसका यूनिक सॉल्यूशन नहीं है, इसीलिए इस क्वेश्चन में अपने को x और y का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट नहीं करना है. ओके, 2x plus y equal to 5. Here 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. That's the equation number 1. And 3x plus 2y equal to 8. Here 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. Equation number 2. Here A1 is equal to 2, B1 equal to 1, C1 equal to minus 5, A2 is equal to 3, B2 equal to 2 and C2 is equal to minus 8. Now we have to find the ratio of A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. A1 by A2 equal to how much? A1 by A2 equal to 2 by 3, B1 by B2 is equal to how much? 1 by 2 and C1 by C2 that is equal to minus 5 by 8. But the unique solution, you know very well, the condition case first, A1 by A2 does not equal to B1 by B2. Here, A1 by A2 does not equal to B1 by B2. That means what? 2 by 3 is not equal to, that is 2 by 3 is not equal to 1 by 2. 2 by 3 is not equal to 1 by 2. So the given equation have the unique solution. The given equation have the unique solution. इस इक्वेशन का क्या हो रहा है? मेरा यूनिक सॉल्यूशन हो रहा है, इसीलिए इस इक्वेशन का वैल्यू हमें x और y का वैल्यू, इस इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करने के बाद मुझे x और y का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड के द्वारा. चलो कर b1 c2 that is the what the value of b1 that is the 1, what the value of c2 that is the minus 8. So 1 into minus 8 minus b2. What the value of b2 minus, then we have to put the bracket 2. b2 का वैल्यू क्या है 2 है, c1 का वैल्यू क्या है -5, 2 into -5 that is equal to a1 b2 1 by a1 b2. a1 का वैल्यू क्या है 2 है, b2 का वैल्यू क्या है 2 है, 2 into 2 minus a2 b1. a2 का वैल्यू क्या है 3 है, b1 का वैल्यू क्या है 1 है. तब यहाँ से क्या हो गया मेरा x by -8 minus 10, 5 to 10, माइनस अंदर रहेगा, इक्वल टू 1 by 4 minus 3. That means here x by -8 or minus plus 10, that is equal to 1 by 1. Here x by 2 -8 plus 10, 2, that is equal to 1 by 1. Cross multiply, x into 1 is equal to 1 into 2. Here x is equal to 2. यहाँ पे x का वैल्यू क्या हो गया 2 हो गया. अब इसी तरह से हम लोग रिलेशन सेकेंड और थर्ड से y का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करेंगे. सेकेंड एंड थर्ड, अब यहाँ से ये क्या हो गया मेरा रिलेशन सेकेंड और ये हो गया मेरा थर्ड. y by, then we have to write y by c1 into, what the value of c1? c1 is a -5 into minus c1 a2, what the value of a2? That is 3. 5 minus 5 into 3, c1 a2 minus c2 minus, then we have to put here minus c2 a1 minus 8 multiply, what the value of c2? That is the minus 8. a1, what the value of a1? 2. That is equal to a1 b2, a1 2 into b2, what the value of b2? That is the 2 minus a2 b1, that means 3 into 1. Here y equal to, implies y equal to -15 minus 16, that is equal to 1 by 4 minus 3. That means how much here? Y by -15 plus 16 is equal to 1 by 1. Here y by 1 is equal to 1 by 1. Here 1 into y is equal to 1 into 1. Here y is equal to, here y is equal to 1. That is y, value of y is equal to 1. So x is equal to 2 and y equal to 1. That is our value. That is our value, and that value will satisfy the both equation. अब यहाँ पे x का वैल्यू 2 और y का वैल्यू 1 रखने पर इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई करेगा. हम लोग चेक कर लेते हैं. That means put the values of x and y in equation first. What is the value of x? और इक्वेशन फर्स्ट में डाल देते हैं तो क्या होगा? व्हाट द वैल्यू ऑफ x2? 2 into 2. our what is our equation? First we are writing our equation 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. so देखेंगे ये x का वैल्यू पुट करने के बाद इक्वेशन 1 LHS. so 2 into 2 plus 1 minus 5 LHS. ये अपना LHS है, इसमें वैल्यू पुट करेंगे 2 into 2 plus 1 minus 5, that is equal to 4 plus 1 minus 5, that is 5 minus 5, that is equal to 0. LHS equal to RHS. So our value of x is correct. So the value of x is correct. Second equation. इसी तरह से second equation में चेक करते हैं LHS. That is for your understanding purpose. Second equation का LHS क्या है? Second equation है क्या? 3x plus 2y minus 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. We have to put the value of x, y in LHS. That is, our LHS is, this term is LHS. So 3x plus 2y minus 8, that is equal to 3 into 2 plus 2 into 1 minus 8. That means 6 plus 2 minus 8, that is equal to 8 minus 8, that is equal to 0. Here also LHS is equal to RHS. So value of x is correct. So value of x and value of y, both value of x and y is correct. तो यहाँ से मुझे पता चल जाता है x और y का वैल्यू जो हमने फाइंड आउट किया है, चाहे वो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड हो या एलिमिनेशन हो या सब्स्टिट्यूशन हो, तो किसी भी मेथड के द्वारा जो मुझे वैल्यू मिलता है x और y का वो सही है कि नहीं है, इस तरीके से हम लोग चेक कर सकते हैं. दैट इज अ प्रोसेस बाय व्हिच यू कैन चेक योर वैल्यू इज करेक्ट और नॉट. यस, थैंक यू. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का 1. A part of monthly hostel charge is fixed and the remaining depend on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. When the student A taken food for the 20 days and she has paid rupees 1000 as hostel charge, whereas the student B who take food for the 26 days and paid 1180 as the hostel charges, find the fixed charge and the cost of food per day. तो लेट हम ऐसा करते हैं. इसमें क्या क्वेश्चन क्या बोल रहा है? क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग, एक लड़की है वो किसी हॉस्टल में रहती है, वो क्या करती है, मेस में खाना खाती है, तो उसका हॉस्टल का चार्ज कुछ अलग है, वो फिक्स चार्ज है. चार्ज दो तरह से किया गया है, एक तो फिक्स चार्ज है और एक चार्ज जो है डेली फूड का है, जितने दिन वो फूड खाती है उसके बेसिस पे. एक लड़की क्या करती है, कितना दिन खाना खाती है वो, 20 डेज. एक तो फिक्स चार्ज होगा, दूसरा क्या है, चार्ज फॉर द 20 डेज. तो दोनों मिला के कितना है, 1000 है. उसी के जगह पे दूसरा स्टूडेंट भी जो है वो 26 डेज खाना खाती है उसी हॉस्टल में, और एक 1180 चार्ज इसको पे करना पड़ता है. फाइंड द फिक्स चार्ज एंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ फूड पर डे. तो हम लेट करते हैं, लेट द फिक्स चार्ज इज x and charge for the food every day, that is y according to first statement. अब यहाँ मैंने इतना नहीं लिखना है, मुझे आप लोग लिखना according to the first statement. फिक्स चार्ज क्या है, उसको कितना देना पड़ता है, फिक्स चार्ज. x क्या है, फिक्स चार्ज है. सो वी आर राइटिंग x प्लस, और क्या देना पड़ता है, ईच डे इज y. तो कितना दिन वो भोजन लेती है, 20 डेज. सो 20 डे में कितना देना पड़ेगा उसको, 20 इंटू 1 डे का क्या है, 1 डे इज x. 1 डे का क्या है, फूड का y है, तो 20 डेज का क्या हो जाएगा, 20 इंटू y, 20y डायरेक्टली. सो हियर व्हाट विल बी x प्लस 20y is equal to how much, 1000. कितना पे करती है वो, 1000. That will be our equation number first. Second statement, B who take food for the 26 days and pay 1180. तो दूसरा इक्वेशन क्या हो जाएगा, x. Another statement, x plus, because fixed charge is the same for the both girl. फिक्स चार्ज जो है वो क्या है, सेम है, बराबर है दोनों लड़कियों के लिए. फूड कितना दिन लेती है वो, 26 डेज. तो 1 डे का फूड का एक्सपेंसेस क्या है, y है, तो 26 डेज का क्या हो जाएगा, 26 into y. तो क्या हो जाएगा, 26y equal to 1180. That will be our equation number 2. So we have to solve the algebraic method. That means from पहले ही देख लिया इधर, पहले दिया हुआ. at first we have to read by which process we have to solve the equation from the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solution if they exist by any algebraic method. किसी भी algebraic method के द्वारा, चाहे वो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो, सब्स्टिट्यूशन हो और एलिमिनेशन मेथड हो, किसी के द्वारा हम लोग इसका वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करते हैं. तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, दैट इज रफ. Here subtract the equation 1 from equation 2. So x plus 26y equal to 1180. X minus 20y is equal to how much, 1000. Subtract कर देते हैं. Sorry, here plus minus. This will be also minus. This will be the cancel. That means how much, plus 26y minus 20y, that means 6y equal to how much, 180. How much, 180. Here 6y is equal to 180. So y is equal to how much, 180 by 6, that means 30. Here y equal to how much? 30. Put the value of y in any equation in 1 and 2. Put the value of y in equation first और सेकेंड. तो फर्स्ट में डाल देते हैं y का वैल्यू. क्या है यहाँ पे? x plus 20. फर्स्ट वी आर राइटिंग द इक्वेशन x plus 20y equal to 1000. here y का वैल्यू, what is the value of y? x plus 20 into 30 equal to 1000. so here x plus 600 is equal to 1000. here x is equal to 1000 minus 600, that means x is equal to how much? 400. so fixed charge is, तो x fixed charge क्या हो जाएगा? 400 हो गया और 4 for each day, that is 30, that is equal to 30. so we have to write with the statement. इसके बाद x का वैल्यू क्या आ गया? 400. after that you have to write so that the fixed charge is x equal to rupees, that is rupees 400, that is also rupees 30. after solve this equation you have to write down the answer like this way. the fixed charge is rupees 400 and the charge for each day is rupees 30.